I'm your girl, Dilka Brownras. Dragon All Star on the Wheels of Steel, DJ Rick, Breads, Mad One. Big up on yourself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. And we're sponsored by the Granaries, located at 6 Overton's Yard over there in Croydon. So make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and you check out their weekly event. And it's another Tuesday, not a fuckery Tuesday. And we have a special guest. Straight out of Yard, straight out of Jam Done. Energy.
No weakness. Energy, 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 energy. Rock the world now. Rock the world now. Shambhala rock. You know, they're in the place, man.
Cool, man. Greetings, my bro. Big up yourself and thank you ever so much for accepting the invitation of being here on the Up and Live show. It's a pleasure to have you in the studio. I could just get right into it. What brings you here to the UK in July 2024?
No, you know, say, I'm a Europe tour, I really depend. But me and Boom Boom did have a weekend tour over here.
Yeah.
So
You make a pit stop.
No, me never have the visa neither. Cause I never get to deal with that Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
I over Switzerland, I deal with it from.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, big up DJ Style and Mazarin from over Switzerland.
Big up DJ
and
Style.
You know, I'm third time I come to England. And
Cool,
this time, 6 months, them give me.
Really?
Yeah, on my Europe tour. Some of us quit the class them for a minute and come do the weekend movie star Johnny.
Big up
and
yourself.
it was like dancehall, street dancehall in England.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? The
And
weekend sell off.
Cool. So you're enjoying the vibe so far?
Yes, man.
Cool. So
Yeah.
we're gonna stick to the visa time when I go run off, right?
No, me never do the run off.
Me just make sure it's what
No,
the question.
me, and I first met man, I'm a youth.
All right.
I go even Canada and get 6 months and I do 1 out of it.
Oh, okay.
Remember the man too famous
Yeah.
run off them
No.
and catch him.
Me always
sense.
a youth who want us travel
Yeah.
the world and then me just see where I want to live. Although
Aye.
at Jamaica, me say same way, but
Yeah, observe the place.
yeah, and you don't know, me finish up the Europe tour and the Korea, so me just there, you don't know.
Go on easy.
Gully God show.
Yeah,
I forward up, you don't know the link from yard, you see me, in a long
Definitely.
time, I don't see the G.
yeah.
I just phone, so you know your thing go.
Cool, man.
So outside and you don't know popcorn, I go in a place, come here there till the 29 and spice.
UK
So.
festive.
You know what thing go? From energy in the place, you know what thing go,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, yeah.
At the street.
And I mean, from your
living.
exactly, and from your forward, we realize say certain moves are being made, certain places you've been to. Talk to us about the High Commission visit that you had.
No, you know, so I never plan for it, because you never see
Me know you never planned
see me
for
in my jacket and my tie.
Yeah.
I'm that really
Yeah.
come out with it, you see me?
Yeah.
Cool,
So
man.
it's
So
like-
talk to us about that.
Yeah.
And how is it that, I mean, what was happening and how is it that you reached there?
Don't know DJ Style and him.
And the
wife-
team,
yeah,
Dream
him
Experience
wife, yeah,
team.
Dream Experience.
Yeah.
You don't know, it's just a flex me and make and I say energy, the High Commissioner there and I go there
Yeah.
and from this you know.
So
From-
what happened while you were there? I
Then
mean,
them introduce me to them and take some picture and talk and
and you spoke
well,
about dancing
them say
itself.
them, yeah, cause them want me dance and then you know I get a time for talk.
Mm.
So I just start about the street, cause them a talk about tourists come to Jamaica and
Yeah.
show some pictures. So me I tell them say, well, the street bring all the tourists come here, cause
True.
we dance on the road. We make people from all over the world come and if you're checking on the street, them at night time, the party them, you see people from Africa, all over in a Jamaica
over.
party and a dance with you and them book you for even dance class.
Mm.
So even whole heap I get a youth different from myself, make even a change.
Yes.
Energy. I don't mean for cut you, but in terms of outside of Jamaica, right? When you're there overseas looking into Jamaica, when you look about the culture, that's what they sell as brand Jamaica. The streets, the dance, the vibrant culture, the things that what you guys do at night time. Do you feel like you're a brand ambassador for Jamaica anywhere you go in the world?
Yeah, cause people even say that, but me, Jamaica don't look upon that way there. But me and myself just do my work. As a youth, I'm still I bring the Jamaica flag anywhere I go, cause anywhere I go is about Jamaica and the love real out there.
Cool,
So
man.
even the youth them in Jamaica, if they don't see it, just go and put in the work. Out they will never see the work. Same like how Bob Marley put in a whole heap of work and we never see it. Till when him die, we see whole heap of greatness.
So in terms of like an ambassadorship, I know you don't formally get it from the government of Jamaica, but does that make you double think about how you operate when you go overseas and the things you do and what you say?
Yeah, 'cause you know, we just do the work as I say, 'cause maybe one day them will look into it and see it. 'Cause even White and Brighter Canada, me are the ambassador for that party there.
Cool, man.
I'm a fly up for that party there, so if me an ambassador for Jamaica, me an ambassador for one
Jamaica
part, one
branded
event,
event.
yeah.
Because we know that when we're talking about Jamaica and the dancehall scene, if anybody you're going to introduce to the culture of Jamaica and Jamaican street party and just dance in general, they're going to see you on one of them video there.
Yeah, cause them call me the map in the high road, you know. Even people come, even through Corona time.
Yeah.
Energy was one of the youth them would get their squad 180. Like whole heap of people reach out to me. What the party there? Cause we are hide and go to the party. We not give up on the street.
Cool, man.
All right, let's forward black in time.
Yeah, like
to the humble beginnings.
How did
Energy get introduced to dancehall and fall in love with dancing?
Well, me introduce some band because I don't know, me just born with a smile and happiness. As a youth in my community, me was like, me just watch love movie and watch star movie like Elvis Presley and them big star there and Selena and them people. I mean, as I say, them people that come from a poor society to and Bill. So Energy was always a youth there. Lugs and Tugs still Shelly Belly. Me and them come from the same community. When him leave John Hype crew, farm something named Shelly Belly and Bermuda squad.
Yeah.
So Energy was part of that squad there and a lot more dancer, MOB them and isn't it?
Dirty Friday.
So you have to give credit, some of your success credit to Shelly Belly.
No, my always
getting out there.
No, anyone I go, I always big him up, but I maybe no do it pan every night. I think I'm more focus on me and get their squad and the youth them, but film name also a card, cause him give me the name even Energy.
Cool,
so
man.
how long now you're dancing like in the streets?
If you check from when Shelly Belly left from when John Hype. But me used to go, me and my friend them used to go to the Sweet 16 party them.
Yeah.
Who was like that set of youth the way we just go around the nice birthday them and we bring with vibes and with energy. So when him go on him own now, we was them youth in the community, we don't have the vibes already.
Cool, man.
So we just, isn't it, farm with him.
I remember at one point in Jamaica where in terms of like the music was leading away from dancers. Did you feel discouraged at one point?
Yeah, me see all heap of them things that go on, but me was always focused. I say, we will get back the street, you know. And we are going to get back the street now. Energy, me no sleep, me out every night, people now, you see me?
Because remember shortly after the Passa and the Dirty Friday, them, like, there was a narrative going around say, the man them won't leave the video light alone. The girl them can't get a chance.
Yeah, we see all heap of them something there and get all the bank. Because me and you, me read all comments on them something there. So me just even try to make it better.
So it's funny, I don't know why DJ get that costume now.
Yeah, I not like the man them around the girl them out of the video like the girl them no, the girl them get different, you know, to know.
So what do you think makes them different? With is it
someone?
I mean,
the man,
based on your experience of being in the
like
street.
one time like you have Diamond the man and even when Rebel them out there at work and isn't it? The girl them nowadays, maybe have the dolly but them and few more girls with them not have the name yet we need them and only for them. I do it, but one time the girl them can't dance with them. Nowadays the girl them have them boyfriend different now.
And some of them have none, them just don't want to dance with somebody.
And some of them only when say like all we know we have the hype and them something them want to come. Them forward. But if you be a dancer in the street, you a dancer every night. It's a work.
And it's your co-worker them you dance with.
Even me they on tour and them something them that love is enough for them cause the way I see them dance on the street me I say I know man alone for the on them tour, I bring the dance all. Woman for there too.
Cool. And so how can we sorry broski, how can we change? Is there anything we can do to see more females in the streets on tours dancing? Because as you rightly said, the man them we normally see at the forefront nowadays.
Female out there touring, but maybe the female them when in at the street we see the Monday, the Tuesday, the Wednesday, the Thursday, the Friday. The street night like how me that out
every night.
Them call we street dancer.
Yes.
So me saw different girls them tour and them something there. But when the foreigner them coming on the road now and see the girl them a boom flick and them something there, they must say, oh we never get them training here. So you come for the real street. You see me?
Yeah.
So the girl them on the street have to just continue.
Cool, man.
And just deal with love. Nobody eat and them thing they call something that me create something named unity now. Where I eat me a push.
How did you create that? What did you do to create it?
The same way you talk about the man-to-man dance and man have video light.
Yeah.
Like man a war and man I get this. Me a youth. I come from me a youth. Me know. Me look out of my eye and them something. So me a youth. If me see two dancers run out and a bounce up and me see all. I say watch your money. You know better if that man that do him dance over me help do it too. And then when me do him do my own too. You know better so. So are them kind of unity there, kind of change the thing. No more clash, man a clash, man and them thing. I mean, I work with them some of them.
Speaking about unity, right? We realize say Boom Boom is one of the selectors on the forefront of underground where kind of give dancers their privilege. We say, yo, no, go do the thing, go there. Is there any other selector that is not to the forefront where we probably don't know about over this side? We kind of say, yo, send the dancer them already otherwise from Boom Boom.
From over this side, England?
No, from Jamaica.
Whole heap of selector, man.
Because we always see video
no,
of Boom
because
Boom.
no Boom Boom play the major event them too.
Yeah.
So you have to understand too, and Boom Boom a dance, them and we, Boom Boom and we work together same way. But even the authorize them.
Yeah.
The Rooksy them. The DJ time them and whole heap more selector, you see me? They too much name Bishop Escobar, Fireman. The thing, them show love now. Because even anywhere me go, the whole of them selector they show me love. But with that more I see me and a Boom Boom. Because the Uptown Mondays now and the Boom Sunday and the Bossy, Boom Boom and Sean 13 them. But every selector, them a do them thing. But you don't know Boom Boom.
Yeah.
Have the special, the Uptown Mondays, you know that at the office.
Yeah.
You see me?
So as
Bossy Tuesday and them there, you see me?
So as a dancer, we touch street Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right back. Talk to us about your typical day on a
That's a regular day.
just a regular day in a year life. And we are talking in the day, go
Wake up,
leading
brush
up,
teeth, wash face,
leading
type of-
straight up to the dance,
You know
back
what?
to when you're forward to your
No,
bed.
that's why I tell them say, that's why I always tell you them in the street say, dancing is a work for me. I'm not out there for fight, and if me that fight, me in a video light.
Yeah.
If me that fight, me in a video light. So me as a man now, my party at night and sleep at day.
Okay.
But you don't know, people always have it say energy this and me have something, me say no weakness. So people feel like some me
Them
can't
feel say
tired.
you do
But
yourself
you
battery.
say, man. You say if there is work, you say my party tonight and there's a video shoot or a commercial for do our interview like this or I wake up and me still wake up at 12 o'clock, go up on my ends. Me and my friend them buy a drink, smoke all a reasoning, listen music, watch the kids them run up and down and those something make you create even move. Cause we watch a look up in them a dry run and listen we sing and come energy meet and them could have do a little rock and we turn it in a dance move.
Right.
Speaking about kids, how much baby mother?
No, I want
Hey,
No.
yo.
What else have I asked? Because people ask.
Nah,
you.
man, I
We are-
want
Them things say you want somebody
Yeah.
a brother, so
Where's
know,
one
you
baby
know.
mother.
Yeah, no, big up my daughter. Twin me get big up.
Twin I get
Yeah,
two
but
daughters.
One drop out.
Okay.
Oh,
See,
con-
my
condolence,
little
condolence to
daughter
that.
Chloe, she a
Yeah.
she, you know.
Aww.
Yeah.
Big up her mother, we're not together, but you know, me a man energy.
Family
No matter
thing,
which
same
girl
way.
me used to deal with her, me and them still good.
Same way.
So-
Yeah, we not get
Next
together,
thing
but
good.
I just love, you see me?
So energy as a Jamaican dancer who have the fame, who have the hype,
No,
who have
not the hype.
celebrity status, right?
Yeah.
You never feel like peer pressure to do a Bob Marley, breed a bag of woman.
No,
Talk the truth.
no, listen, no.
Want the truth.
Me can't talk that no, but listen. Me as a man, me get blamed for them thing there. As when me say me, I one of the dancer them way. Woman from all over the world flying.
You sure you left nothing in Europe?
And no, bro, listen, I'm focus on doing
Sir,
me.
let
I do,
the-
'cause
let the gentleman
listen, now in
speak.
Europe, me have to know me. I do, 'cause I know for them girl, they maybe you see them big,
Yeah.
them under age.
So they now run the race, my general.
'Cause even me go some place in all Panama, me see some girl are big, so me have to know me. I do.
Yeah.
Good
I
me
need
have
come
some
out
other-
now.
Yeah, 'cause watch I know me as a youth, me protect myself when I go out there. You know.
Not you have to.
Real.
Even if me a smoke a spliff, me I say you can't smoke.
Yeah.
Cause me don't want to get in a problem with no police, so
Yeah,
let me
why
try,
not?
you see me? So, me just watch what me do. Me go out there to go do my dancing and
Right.
think,
Focus
man.
on-
Energy. May I ask a question? What are the best place your craft bring you and the worst place?
What my best place?
Outside of Jamaica.
No, my crowd bring me a whole heap of place now.
So what? Or probably
No,
a
me not-
favorite place
Me
you want to
not
ask?
have no worst place, but it's when me that fly go Korea still. The flight long. and one night,
So now
one,
Korea, then I go north or south.
oh my God, south, I couldn't know. No, the first drama this.
I don't know me.
Well,
ask.
Watch out, the first time them link me and say, we want to book you for Korea. Me I say, Korea will be a while ago. I never know anybody go Korea. Here, no energy, not North, South Korea. So me then start to ask, be a people. And you see me?
Find
When
out
I did-
information.
So energy, you go Korea. They meet dog over there for true.
No, me, I want to tell you, say, me don't know about dog. When me did, them say them eat dog, but
So you-
them bring me out, them bring me out, I'm going to try out for the ribs. You see me? Well, that's know. When me go home now, a girl from New York text me, one of my friend, me say, you live life, you eat ribs. So me I say, yeah, I try. So yeah, you know what wolf you eat. So me I say, wolf meat here, wolf in dog. You know, the whole of appetite mash up. Yes, so
it's a bare vegetable and fruit.
No, me eat chicken over there and something else still, you see me?
So and so we spoke about energy, the dancer. Let's speak about energy, the artist.
No,
How?
you see it, artist. Me not go. Here you go on now.
Alright,
No, hear me now. Me nah deny it now. Me nah deny the artist thing now, but cause when you look, what ching them a come from dancing to artists, ding dong them dancing to artists. You see me? Me I go on the street and me have the buzz. So in the day, guidance them come to me. Cause me do a song a long time when I'm Dagger Reload now. Yeah, where me just a say energy. And so you see me them thing there, but till guidance see me and come with something named Logo Boss. And all me saying that the song was, damn, when I call for I go, damn, when I call, when I go to the selector, them a pull it up like a one big part, me say, and I'm coming into the sing, them a beat down, and people are pop up, me call me and laugh, I go like me a big artist. So the song play now and me I will talk a phone, and me just step on, damn, and the whole place step on, and me just say, pull up that, like me a one big artist. Pull up, you see me? I just happiness, I just my kind of happiness. And then me come and see, we go in a Shambhala, me have song with Delamar where it say one unity. Vice,
and you have man to woman, woman to man.
Vice male. Me have me na whole heap of the one day I fly go Europe. As me land, I go do my own song.
And what's the name of that song?
I just did that, and hear the rhythm, I just step on. Move. So it name moves, cause the man that say yo energy I make big moves.
Yeah.
So we just did it and we have vibes and man that say energy. Yeah, you know the movie I show in England and even the Nick Cannon movie, whole heap of thing. So
energy, like in terms of hairstyle, Elephant Man never talk to you about that.
Then the Elephant Man get that hairstyle from I'm get that drama.
Just ask him.
Alright. So when me I do my ear so.
Yeah.
Alright, that just me just put the colour me there on Shelly Belly man. You Shelly Belly, so you colour your ear. But me like the style of Elephant Man, me get that style from.
Yeah.
So now my community know them start premium as Elephant Man.
Yeah.
So even the pit them when I go Melrose School I pass and see me, I say Elephant Man see me now shizzle. So I play the role, you see me? Till
in the back of Shelly Belly, in the back of us, Shelly Belly. That boy, the man.
No, remember me out there dance and I know him still, but watch I know him I do an interview with ER now and I pass by my road and pull up. So the whole community start to call me, Elephant Man, your brother there, your brother there, and come call me. Me and him at say, yeah, you them say my brother. Alright, all that money I go put on around. So let's do them, I say, you see me? And it's a vibes, man, you know, it's my big up Elephant Man. Me and him go to that man, I say, you take me image. And I go and I say, yeah man, you name energy, because I'm name energy, man. But I'm a bro, man, you see
man,
me?
big up Elephant Man all the time.
And him me get a even America visa.
Cool na man.
And for him petition,
So
you see me?
Remember no fight time, you know, like we mark Elephant Man, but like
No, good youth, man.
we have enough for Elephant Man, cause him boy energy. They not can't ever got embassy no call him up, turn him down.
Yeah, even one time, me and him go, even one time, me and him go down on a bad road. And me I say, me did and him not talk to me. And man, where I go see him, me can't see him. I say, Ellie no want to see you know. I mean, I say, John, no, I'm the pan petition.
Yo, want to Ellie now.
I want to go on.
Yeah.
So me there, you know, when me hear him new song them, me just bring the vibes. Me not see, but me just a dance.
Yeah.
So he might get be a video with me. So when him come me and say, so, yeah, look out for that call, yeah. Don't stop me and say, hey, listen me. You're my brother. Listen me. And nobody can tell me bad boy, yo. And nobody never tell me bad boy energy, yeah? Yeah, I'm a bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm a G, man, Elephant, man, big him up, man.
Yeah,
So
man,
as you've just mentioned that rift, what have you ever had any other experiences such as that with any other artist, any other dancer
Dancing.
having any issues with you?
Yeah, remember the big fight with me and Shelly Belly
No,
fight?
I don't know about it. Talk about it now.
No, me never. Me as I said, me and him was a big fight, and even I not over. No, it's a song. It's a song with acting. 'Cause acting is a youth where When we used to go Limelight, when them have the song we say, Gun rise,
Aperture.
one day. We was like the youth, them we can go in the free. Him a real star. Security man like him, but I say, no who that? Look at the DJ man. So him come in and then him ever say energy. Him ever say, yo, keep a show na man. Keep something man, me come more as me. The way him bust out and you know him get the commercial digital and him a go on, him a dey add something. Him book back away the way the hand say, yo, wanna come do some work for me now and your mother have house. So me I say to Shelly Belly and I say, yo, the dogs have come link him now. Anyway, when I'm link him and that pass and blow. Me not the road no energy, I go on pan him own no one. Book him back him, sing a song pan. I can read him. I can up power with doing them.
Yeah.
I say, yo, put the big bench on the washing stand. Whatever dance, so we say, so we just get mad and just put a voice on it. So the producer come and say, energy, I hear a song this now. And me I say, you know a thing, man, and we are the vibes, man, do the right thing. I'm this, acting now, you don't know. Him a dance on the song now and do film thing. One night we had one party and acting in the Dexter Daps and the whole of them be artists. So them go out and dance. Him go out and dance. Me and my friend him go out and dance. Him come to dance so him a kick. Which me know when I'm somebody dance car, even me cannot dance and bounce up on you. Me not too big for say sorry or what you know say I dance. So I dance so you kick me and me I say I saw you dance go. But you know when your feet are physical kick. You see me?
They kick it too strong.
You want actually kick you.
So from
Kick
this
it too strong.
I kick them just turn around and from this side just fight. You see me and
So
me feel so bad in myself. Although you know when you're up on your journey, even people are mess around you, hold it. People may say you're soft and I was always the kind of youth with I deal with peace and love.
And
but,
unity.
Yeah, but me have that impact, but me keep it.
But you're human at the end of the day.
Yeah, so but and me not light. Me not light for other people, even kids are watch me and them something me have to know for do.
Yeah.
So even that fight, then me even go home and me even pray and apologize to myself, even if me know me not wrong. And me go do one interview one morning and me and him come from the same community.
Okay.
Me never go make nobody know say me anymore and me go do interview. When me look, as the next accident again, him and him cousin them rush me and be man. So me don't look over it. So me I show you say, bro, when I try bring me back in one life, I'm not going to look one. Because even if you don't know, so I don't know for ramp with me. But I never imagine that. Because I never said to una system me on my journey. But me hard more focus. You will keep me up on them something, and I'm just take it downstairs, man. But you don't kill me.
So what's the relationship between you two now?
No, it's good. It's always good. Because even I'm good, but and I like me so good. Like
before.
Yeah, but
on just balance.
On see each other, on hail up each other, on a
that
par.
is it. The respect and them things because my face almost straddling with him. But people will come near me and left from me on him and me bring around him and me accept them back and the task arguments feel like say me I go against him. The truth is a man now come to you and say, dog, me not say that now. So he's a man you jump and believe. So me just hold my focus and say, here go on. But them go and believe. Me know me not do nothing wrong.
Whoever know the truth, them know it.
Yes, so me just work with God in control. That's my thing that.
So
we're glad everything
no, it's good man and unity in
you and Shelly Belly can do a part, can party and dance with that. We like that.
Then him start out from.
I'm like how you still a big him up always see me.
It's like I'm going to come interview and make it, but you're not going to hear me Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, me not depend that. But you
still
know the
pay the
respect.
homage,
And the same start, that respect they can't rub out.
But by that thing be even if somebody follow it, once them help your journey,
and
if you even want to say it, you have to
say
it.
Because it's a part of
it's a part of your story.
Yeah, but if somebody help my journey and I fight my journey, what you feel like say?
You thought about it same way?
Yeah, but you help and fight, so you mash up your little
Me forget well sometimes.
No, if we give on them thing, but watch you now, just understand, say, we are doing the same work, but you did the same me there, so. Even me go dance for your song, me go dance for your song, but me focus on me and my surrounding and know say me now go make
it overshadow
again.
So in terms of Rasta, in terms of the UK scene, right? You're now in the UK. This is not your first time here.
No, my first time. I want to give you say even when me and Shelly Belly fight, Dexter Daps, one of the youth will come and hug me up and say, see something one night. Don't make me see them with
you. See you out from?
No. Linda's Road.
Off. That's
so you know see you place. So even Dexter see me and hug me up and say, yo, don't make me see none of them thing there. People love you up there and God work it at England. Him call me up on him show.
Okay.
And stop the forward him give him stop even the stand up and say, you know how this? energy this from Kingston, Jamaica. The youth will lock the street and, you see me?
Yeah,
We
good
just
forward.
yes. So me
Respect
actually
for
say,
that.
him did the night when I fight now. And I take film advice to honest. But they say I cry after the fight and him something there.
Introspection.
Cause even the night we shake hands, so even the next day when we go war, come like, you never take me apology, just say me actually say, me say emotion, but me just
Hold
beg
it.
Father God say, no weakness no. And me just continue.
So you're here, I mean, in the UK for not much longer. A week and 2 weeks, 1 week.
No, you
Where
know,
else? And we say your touch party, your
but
touch
you know,
place
say,
and
I
Ray.
mean, just say, I'm there in UK, I get some things for
Yeah,
go back in.
yeah.
Cause you know you have to go back in.
You can't stay out too long.
I'm buying Europe and them places.
Yeah.
I don't want to travel the extra suit. I don't want to travel the two suits.
Yeah.
Everywhere
So we want to know for your fans and AC units that are here and people who are getting to know energy and, you know, they want par with energy, get a photo up, get a chance to have a conversation with you. Do you know any other events that you'll be at so people can forward and par with you?
I'm not really book for now, you know.
But you're going places.
Yeah, but they would fire them and my crew and my farm them.
Cool,
I'm
man.
outside.
You're
Cause some
outside.
stay like come there Jamaica.
Yeah.
I not get paid per Monday, I tell you, maybe on weekend somebody come up on Monday and say, I want to book every Saturday.
Yeah.
But just out of all advice, but from them see me, it's like me get book.
Yeah,
Cool,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
But me maybe pull up on one bus ride and what's your name there keep on bus ride.
Lavona.
Yeah.
Lavona.
Yeah.
Cool,
Good
man.
girl, she always come to Jamaica.
And you say you're going to the Movada show.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
There, because I pull up with the spice. Yeah, you don't know
Cool,
me.
man.
And
Una just look out for it.
spice. Me and spice or some
Yeah.
holy part thing.
Energy. And you're in the UK, like, oh, you think the dancing scene are going on in the
Over
UK?
here.
Want to talk about that?
Yeah.
Because, like, to me, kind of like,
Even the dancer, I can remember Sharpman, I know Sharpman.
Yeah. Big up to dancehall King Chapman.
Wildlife, Omar and
Yeah.
Urkelem we used to dance. Because Urkelem are the first somebody with me come to England.
yeah.
Cool, man.
Yeah, and I woke up only for dancer, if a Brixton and home I go.
Yeah.
And them see me and I'm like, yo, you're there, but me not ever, I saw me stay, you know, but pull them in the light and she say, now because I'm here book for the show, I feel like say,
Una must
a
start back
superstar, and
seat.
the former phone place this, other unit there, so UK, good man, big up my dancer friend over there, man.
in terms of the market in the UK, like, if for, let me just put this out there in we call it in just as retrospect, or not in retrospect I should say, just as an example, if you should live in UK right now, what would you bring, or what do you see the UK dancehall space missing in terms of dancing?
Them maybe not reach a party them, like how me that man way, me there Jamaica, me and my friend them, me just pull up at some party and set it and build my name first.
So basically dancer them not be dancer, them might be
No,
braffer.
them dance, but maybe them work too over here, cause remember and
I think if you extend your visa and
them
create some
and them
more.
can go everywhere.
Extend your
No,
visit.
but selectors work as well.
Yes,
And
selector
promoters work.
Yeah.
But at the same time, we do come out and do the
Yeah,
job.
yeah.
So, me don't want to see you see a dancer, next thing me know, you know the party, I sip all night, man. Not one dance, not one.
What's your name?
Miss
Shanti
Rose.
Chromas, the girl them there. Chromas. Them girl, I feel like me there at Jamaica every time I see them. It's like me see some diamond, them girl there.
And that's the thing, you know, for me,
Them
my
make me
my
feel
personal
dancer.
perspective, like the dancers them there, but if me go a party, me not really see the dancers them on the dance
Me don't
floor.
want me
How
You got Dan Crazy
dancers?
to him turn artist now, but you don't know.
Yeah, but when
No.
Dan Crazy,
When
you
Dan
know,
Crazy go and get
Bro.
ready.
Yeah, no,
go
Dan
and
Crazy. No,
But-
listen to mama, that style up and party one night. Dan Crazy, I'm a G, man. Big him up too. Good youth.
Yeah.
You have whole heap of dance over
No,
here
me
now.
not say the dancers aren't not there, but for me, when I go to the parties
Yeah.
and the way how
Me-
I know dancers should dance in a
Yes,
party,
them not-
that
them
is
not- them
before
not it.
COVID. Let's
Them
talk
not
about it. Cha-Cha Fridays. King Terror and Sparks used to keep Cha-Cha Fridays on a Friday. Over there, so
And the selector them play for them.
selector them play. Even when them
co-worker them, one is a problem.
Hold on,
we,
brother.
we is a problem.
Glad
But
I you
if
first,
what my reference is, before COVID, the selector them did a play for the dancers them, and then did a play for everybody
and
in
them
the
call,
dance.
them have to know the dance and them name
I
too.
for them place and not London.
No,
them there.
listen now, you saw me tell you about the important thing. You select them too. Same like you can call a floss and name and them something there. You have to know some dance and name too.
That's true.
That's true.
Cause even when energy that you make boom boom start play and boom boom now play now send off enough floss and
Yeah.
and I might play some music and dance. What him say? Energy give me the vibes.
Yeah.
Shelly belly.
But the
Patas King. Him call out some names, everybody them feel comfortable, them name a call. So them come out and you see me?
Yeah, but this is an experience that I'm giving
That
you.
you're right.
The DJ them know the dancer them in the place. But the dancers them just not dance.
Cause you mean there when Andrew French and Killer Fella them see me and most of them know energy this. Them say the streets there.
They don't play. Yeah, DJs don't play for dancers anymore.
Like at the end of the day, it's not about play for dancers because listen, you see him start song more play in Jamaica. Where you see energy them dance pan. I see him start song them
play over
here.
I remember them dancer where I keep off just make money.
Because some idea like what do you call it now? I feel like the dancer them shy over here. They're more.
But all them big event they will keep. I should have seen enough of them dance here upon them.
And that's the thing, you're not seeing them.
As you make a valid point earlier on, say, you're not booked for a lot of show, but
you're
when you guy party from today till Friday, you're bound to get booked.
Watch out, if me go, I could go wireless now. Like if Valley and them see me moon touch the stage.
Of course.
Like if Sean Paul is see me any one of them artists who is from Jamaica say energy.
Yeah.
Me and them go all have vibes.
Yeah.
Cause I would have get to young on the stage over there, you know.
You know, could have go back to somebody and I could have make them start dance.
True.
Yeah.
Even she had the host, me just make sure start dance. That's what I stay. No,
yeah.
You can't tell me say
Blanc alone was my friend. Sorry.
Blanc, you see it on the stage.
Blanc alone was my friend. Sorry.
As they say, DJ body, but it's the dancer themselves. As they say, you're outside.
That's true. Still,
they don't really be outside, and then they're not getting paid. Some of them, so promoters not really book a dancer like say, yo, I put a dancer here forward and put them on it like they book a host or a DJ. So them not get the love where them deserve, and when them in the dance eventually, they sang them when them want to dance so, and they sang them when I play. It's their dancing song, but most of the sang them when where them want to do with them routine, them learn or whatever. And as I say, them turn flash.
You hold on the rest. You are being hypocrite because hold on there. Let me talk straight up. Me there UK how long now? The dancing segment over here in terms of the UK dancer on a regular week, they are non-existent because you know.
So I literally just said that.
Hold on a dog. And about pay them. Or you can't expect to get paid if you never build a market to get paid.
Alright.
So if you come out from Monday to Monday, for sure what you can do, you can bring the vibes to the party, the energy to the party, you not get paid.
I see only for them I went Saturday out of the party panel.
Party panel lawn.
Yeah.
Then I see Need Squad, I see even Money Ninja, them and them thing there.
And you charge them out.
Yeah, I see the whole of them and them there. You see me? But even though I no book for the party, but me is a man me there. Say if you select them, he come so.
Dog.
No, say if you select them, he come so and do the right thing. I'm early, I know say energy there. Find two ching or something. You see me? Bring our vibes. Because somebody say from me hear music, me go move.
Yeah.
I don't book for the show, but I'm bridging them invite me I will have vibes.
Cool, no, man.
The thing here, as well, like I say, bro, I said it from the start. There's a lot of variables. Everybody to be blamed. But the person who I blame everybody at the same time, I have to do them I do. Can literally say like energy outside of there, these people are not doing it no more. Because them say, we not about them, you not play the song them, people not appreciate them. So them do father one dance, them turn flasher. Them we dance so look at 1-2 tune. You see me? Because start there when they play the old school tune them, everybody done move. You see me? Because people miss the look at enjoyment there. When that old tune song play, me we dance because them time me know.
They have to bring back the people them from them time them man.
Cool, man.
Some flaws say that's your dance.
At the end of the day, energy, like dancing thing is a key part of dancehall. That's why we have that in the name of it. Dancehall.
So
you have to bring the man them to dance and the woman them to dance and make everybody fall together. Because at the end of the day, we can't just have some song and a money and dash because remember it's not a strip club.
Yeah.
Play the
you get me? The flossing part good because that's an extra because remember in the 90s.
That's a part of that. Even Jamaica, but you see dancer when in Jamaica, sometimes we hear some song drop. Because remember now, no for them song you see get all hype up on them thing. The dancer them play a big role now. If a girl boom flick on to a Spice song or
people are going to listen to it and wonder why.
Video gone viral a morning. They must say, oh, that song your name.
Yeah,
but that song your name, isn't it? So, yeah.
Cool now, man. Energy, time is gone away from us, but we give thanks for our pass through the studio.
Yeah, man,
and for anybody who is not following you on social media, what is your Instagram handle?
You know, energy_ get there squad.
Cool, man.
I don't know upon the TikTok or Energy the Dancer and Facebook or Energy. No, Paul Energy Thompson.
government name.
Yeah.
Cool.
With the dancer name same in the mix.
Maybe you can Google my son William now, like one time.
No, if you want to go up on the YouTube channel, you can type in energy dance. You see whole heap of things pop up.
Whole heap of things that
Yeah.
And I mean,
So in terms of dancing camp, do you have none?
that's what I was
planned
just
in the UK?
about to ask. Any planned in the UK
No,
before
we
you
never
leave
planned
out?
on the first time me come here and sharp money plan. I never. Me no plan for stay.
Yeah,
Them
yeah,
don't know
yeah.
if me go stay or whatever.
Yeah.
A 6 month me get them, me just
Bunk.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me no-
So
and I like-
if you are going to be planning a dance camp, make sure say we get the information from,
yeah, man,
from
cause
early.
sharp money link me and say me want put something together before me
What
leave.
about a celebrity dance camp? Get the people who are promoter, DJ, people who are smarty.
That would
No,
be
one
nice.
Try
big dance
learn a
camp,
little-
one big dance camp.
One
One
little
keep over,
routine,
one
you
hour
know?
keep over here in September.
I'm full idea, you know.
Yeah, are you going to be there?
No, them no book me.
But yeah, promote it same way.
No, energy is here now. You get
One
one.
man.
Remember,
One of
you
my
are more
friend
than them good too.
Yeah, man. No, me,
You
yeah,
might
man.
just roll
See,
it.
so.
Yeah,
You know, celebrity dance camp. You know,
Yeah,
remember,
man.
brothers are smarty too.
yeah, man. This Saturday, man, hour. My father show.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So you know
27,
what thing,
28. Yeah, so big up yourself, my general.
Yes,
Thank you
man,
ever so
only
much
for
for
love,
passing
man, and
through.
continue to do the good work and just big up the UK dancer, them and promoters, them
Yeah.
and artists, them. I love our unity, man. You see me? No weakness.
Steel City said that they're keeping a dancers link up. What's the date, Steel City? If it's before Energy leaves the UK, me could
Yeah,
know.
me
If
am
not,
a visa. So if a bookings are bookings, my mommy say bookings
Yeah.
not
Cool.
looking.
Same
Same,
idea.
him say
Now
need to
because
add
he says he needs to add you.
it. And
Yeah.
still, it is a serious promoter. So
Serious people.
Bristol big up a
no, not Bristol.
Bristol.
Sheffield, get it
same
right.
thing.
So we'll get the connection. He says he's gonna message you on Instagram,
Yeah.
and then we'll make the connections. But
Still,
we'll
City,
take
you don't know you can talk to Styler as well.
and you can
DJ Styler.
DJ Styler, and if you
Yeah.
want,
I don't know fire they are same way.
Yeah.
Is it
fire
me?
there, big up
Yeah,
yourself.
for your DM, you don't know, make a link to fire.
Cool, no,
Is it
man.
me?
You know to do the right thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, 16 minutes past. 16 minutes 16 minutes past of 11 o'clock. We want to say give thanks for passing through to Energy. Thank you for sticking and staying with us until now. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and you check it out. This Thursday, karaoke Thursday. Make sure to go over 6 Overton's Yard.
Down in the
Check
home
it
office.
out. Down at the home office. Friday, when don't know, said the regular Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And beer things.
Oh yeah,
Big up-
this Saturday, Corey Max them.
Hold on,
Oh sorry, I thought you finishing.
Big up to Fire Lion. He's having his all white party this Friday. This Friday, the 19th. Make sure to get an event. Your ticket. King Terror having his birthday party is usually the red and black edition. Every girl dream. So make sure to get the details for that as well. Star Life Entertainment presents their big journey show. The big stage show and dance called Journey. For your tickets and other information, link up Star Max and Black Kush and the rest of people them. Black Kush is going to be hosted by Princess Britannia. Performances by Foley Don, Chantifor, Smooth Face, Sexy Danger, Black Cognac, Askel 45, I Tuki, Stammer Kid, Don Crazy, Fras V Licious, Danny Bless. It's going to be happening at a licensed venue as well. 27th of July, Traystar Promotions presents Shape and Heels, the 3rd episode with special guest Bishop Escobar out of Jamaica. 25th of August, big up to Richie Mundo, it's his birthday party. Rum Invasion, the summer soiree, make sure so getting tickets for that. Rebel, Dancing Rebel is the special guest for that event. 4th of July, DJs versus promoters. The
4th
official
of August. 4th of
4th of
Yeah,
August. Thanks
correction.
for the correction. Make sure to get any tickets for that. Seeing any other party for big up, quick and fast.
Big
All
up,
good.
big up.
Wild
Days.
While out.
Wild out bus ride.
While out bus ride, 3 days to go, happening on the 19th of July. Energy, I got it.
Yeah, man.
Energy, live in the flesh.
Yeah, we are pull up at this. I'll be my second bus ride, you know.
Cool,
bus
no,
ride.
man.
No.
Mad.
Yeah, conductor.
Remember, we are planning a bus ride go up to Sheffield.
Sheffield, 17th of August.
Yeah, you
Can't
know the
forget that one
party there.
day.
We are go up there.
Yeah.
Remember, all me turn dancer.
I'm a driver.
And I'm not going on that.
We are
I'm
skate
not
pan
going
the-
in that
we are
vehicle.
skate on the motorway.
I'm not going in that vehicle. Anyways, big up on yourself, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you next week. Dragon All Star.
I don't know anything going to people. Love your brother, love your sister. Let love you in everything you do. I want to read a book in
Oh,
them. Say
yes.
brain power is the main power. Rasta, you want to say anything?
Made in 90s Fest also happening on Saturday the 27th.
Made
Thank
in
you. Made in 90s Fest.
Made in 90s.
Yeah.
How you say?
Everything.
Happening on Saturday. Big up yourself,
Brazil
DJ
can't go
Styler.
in, okay, you didn't start breed girl yet.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, close the
Bam,
show.
before.
I met them member Dream Weekend at Jamaica, yeah? Remember
Yeah.
Energy Book Feet, you see me?
Get
So you know
on
it go.
tickets for that.
I remember
Yeah,
people
fully.
also Dream Weekend launch the UK, what you call it?
Edition.
Takeoff party is in Brixton. Is it what's the date? Look on English Fire page. I forgot the date, but that's very soon. People look on English Fire page for that one day, you know. At the takeoff party, so
Yeah.
we are started from Brixton, jump on the plane and shot guard Jamaica really
Alright
quick.
then.
You know where you go. Alright, and that
I'll
is
be
Brixton
there.
Jams. Yeah.
Get an autograph, you know.
So anybody who can make it to
21st of July.
the actual dream,
You can dream over here.
You
they can dream over here.
Yeah, 21st of July.
21st of July, and that's in Jams Brixton. You don't know anything go.
Yeah.
Just down the road in South London.
Guys, be safe on the road. Enjoying
When are
yourselves.
that? When are that?
21st of July.
That is
Of
this
July.
weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, no, man. All-Star, you want to take us
Sunday.
out?
Yeah, man, I will keep it.
We'll get to the
It's our original dream
information.
weekend party.
We'll get to the
Are we in
information.
a place now, you know your thing go?
Cool,
Yeah.
no, man.
You know, back in a Jamaica, whole heap of thing.
Yeah.
Yes, even
Cool,
important. Whole heap of show, yeah, man, of Jamaica.
Just stick and stay to your grandma and find out the
Yes, so
information.
no follow the Instagram and then see whole heap of things.
Cool,
you know.
no, man. All-Star.
People that don't know anything, just look out for more things from Upper Live Show. You don't know. Big up everybody who check in tonight. You don't know anything. Yeah, time kind of run quick, you know. Yeah, I want them thing there. People, look more.